Hello, students. Welcome to Physical Science 102. I am Dr. Matthew Edwards, your instructor for this course. You may call me Dr. Edwards or you may call me Mr. Edwards. Now, this is a Physical Science course 102, as I said, and it will be taught in the traditional hybrid mode. And that implies, and actually means, that we will meet on Thursday. You will meet Thursday online, and Tuesdays each week you will come to the classroom in VM Chamber Hall. So since this class requires some online participation, you need to be quite disciplined. Make sure that you become aware of the due dates, the deadlines for homework, the deadlines or the due date for the examination, and stay on point with everything that's going on. I suggest that you check your website at least twice a week so that you can see then announcements or new posts that are made so you can stay abreast with all the timelines. As I said, I'm a physicist by training. Please go online if you want to know more about me. Go to the physics department, www.aamu.edu, and check on the physics department. Click my name, Dr. Matthew Edwards, and you'll see lots of information there about me. I look forward to having you in this class and working with you each week to have you move towards a successful outcome. So once again, good luck. Please contact me as you need to. My email and phone numbers are listed in the syllabi, and I expect you to read the syllabi and go through that. So I look forward to hearing from you as you need to. Have a good day. Bye-bye now.